Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture on Facebook without notifying anyone. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Messenger. So once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on three bars on the top left. From here, you need to click on the gear icon and click on your profile picture, and here you can see take photo, choose from library. So click on choose from library. So I'm going to select this one for example. Okay, and if you want you can crop this image as well. So I'm going to crop like this. Okay, and click on done, and here you can see that your Facebook profile picture will also be in updated. This update will not be shared in feed, so it will not be shared with feed. So then you simply need to click on save profile picture. So click on OK. So it will take few seconds to save. So wait for few seconds. Then you need to go back and open Facebook. And here you can see that my Facebook profile picture is updated. But here you can see that this picture is updated 12 hours ago. And after that you can see there is no update here that I changed recently. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.